All right, smart money gang. Welcome back to the channel. Today is Sunday. You know what I'm saying? The market's finna open up and we about to get into the pre-markets. We about to get into the pre-market analysis, guys. So we about to do a pre-market analysis. I give you guys a pre-market analysis almost every Sunday on this channel, ever since I've been starting it. So I think we like on the third one right now. So pre-market analysis, you feel me? So we can get ready to mark up these charts so you guys can get like a general idea of what's finna go on this week. So this time I brought a new pair to the table, which is Euro Odd Australian. I do not trade this pair personally, but if you guys want to give it a shot, then you guys can. Me personally, I'm just showing you how I mark up the charts and how I get ready to see what price is doing or what price is finna do in the future from checking historical data, right? So if you new to the channel, I'm gonna need you to like, share, subscribe, right? Tell a friend and tell a friend, you know what I'm saying, that I'm going live. It's lit. You know what I'm saying? And I'm doing this for you guys for free, for the free ball. Right now, I'm gonna let you know. Right now, this is my disclaimer. I am not a financial advisor or anything like that. I am not a financial advisor, but I do offer mentorship, right? So I offer mentorship to help you guys get to the next level, right? Because a lot of people might not want mentorship. They just like to be private. They want to just do their own thing, maybe demo a little bit, check out the charts for themselves, right? So I'm not pressuring you into anything, but just hit that like button, you know what I'm saying? But I love y'all, man. So I'm gonna set on the timer so that I won't be 30 years, you know what I'm saying, doing this. But you feel me? This is gonna be the general breakdown of Euro Alt, right? This is the first time me sharing this pair with you guys. This is the first time me looking at this pair or anything. So I'm just letting you guys know that it's not that I just love one pair or I only trade a few pairs and I only know how to, mark up the charts for one pair. We can mark up the charts for multiple pairs, guys. So just letting you know that I'm gonna share the screen right now with you guys, and then boom, you guys should be in there right there. Let's make the screen a little bit bigger. Make the screen a little bit bigger, you feel me, for you guys. And then we're gonna get right into this, man. So y'all already know on the YouTube channel. So what I'm going to do right now is go through and mark up these levels real fast. I don't have any levels. I don't have any levels marked up on this pair because, like I just told you guys, I do not trade this pair at all. So I'm not gonna lie to you. But what you already know we do, man. We do top-down analysis, man. We jump from the monthly, then we go to the weekly, the daily, and then the 4 hour, right? And then we use the 15 minutes and smaller time frames for entry points. That's just me personally, guys. You don't have to do that at all. You don't have to do that at all, guys. But I just do it personally for me, for my use only. So what I'm gonna do is basically we on Euro or I'm gonna find a top, a middle, and a low, right? So I'm gonna find the highest point for the day, the midpoint for the day, and the lowest point for the day, right? And then I'm gonna mark these areas up as key levels because at these levels, price reacted to these levels, okay? So me personally, guys, I like to trade psychological levels, right? So bank numbers, right? Solid numbers. Usually these numbers are like ending in 000, right? So if you was to have like a business, or if you were, let's say you got a business, or you're dealing with money, right? A small business, right? You don't like change, right? You don't like quarters, 20 cent, 30 cent, 40 cent, and all that, right? You would like for it to be even, like, you know what I'm saying? Like an even $200, or even 250, right? You don't want 250 and 20 cent, 16 cent, right? We don't like to carry around a change. So pretty much the banks don't like it either, right? So that's what we doing. So we're not just putting lines on support and resistance at any level. We're putting them at key levels, right? So we can keep consistency. We know, okay, boom, if we know at these levels, it's a consistent level. It's a level where, hey, the banks might want to deal with that level. They might want to do their trade, and they might want to buy goods and stuff from other countries at this level. All right. So boom. So right now I plot one at this 80,000 level. You know what I'm saying? Plot one at this 80,000 level. Let me see where the next area would be. I will pop one at this 160,000 level, 1.60,000 level. All right, so I pop one there. 60,000 level, 1, 2, 3. Boom. And then I need one more, guys. And what do you think that would be? Let's see. At this 140,000 level, guys. 1.40,000. So boom. Double click right here. Make that 140,000 flat. All right. So boom. Now we got our 3 key levels on our monthly. So these are major key levels, guys. So this 1.40,000 level, this 1.60,000 level, and this 1.80,000 level are key areas, right? So that's letting me know, all right, that's letting me know that price is moving between 2,000 pips on this pair, okay? So from 140,000 to 160,000, right? That's 2,000 pips, and then from 160,000 to 180,000 is another 2,000 pips, as you guys see right here. I'm pulling out the ruler. So 2,000, 2,000, 2,000 even, right? So what I also want to do is I want to drop down to the weekly now. I want to drop down to the weekly, and I want to put me some minor key levels, right? Where price can have problems at. So what I'll do is I'll go here, and then I'll go to my horizontal array. And you can use whatever you want. You can use boxes. Some people like using boxes, whatever, you know, whatever floats your boat, though. You know, you got to do what works for you, what makes you comfortable, right? A lot of people don't like a lot of lines on their charts. A lot of people, you know, some people need the lines for guidance. Some people need, you know, indicators for guidance. Me personally, I don't like using indicators. At first I did. I used them as training wheels, though, guys, to find, you know, support, resistance, and things of that nature. But at the end of the day, you know, once you're able to see it, you know, you don't need all that stuff. You really want to you really want to see the beauty in forex. You want to see the beauty in it. It's a work of art. You feel me? You come in, you do the work, and then therefore you have high probability trades. You know, good risk management. And then you'll be a successful trader, guys. So at the end of the day, boom, I got these levels. I got these levels on here. All right, so all right, there we go. So I got these levels on here. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna drop down, right? We're gonna drop down to the daily. And so now we're gonna drop down to the daily. We're gonna see what's going on in the daily. And we're gonna see what's going on in the daily, right? So now we can look for patterns and things of that nature, right? We can look for patterns, you know, see what's going on right here. I see a bullish channel going on right here. You feel me? So I'm gonna mark that off. I see a bullish channel going on, so I'm gonna mark that off. And see, like I said, I never trade this pair a day in my life, guys. So at the end of the day, you can see you know, when you start analyzing the charts and you fall in love with it, it's like second nature, man. So at the end of the day, right, we gotta, oh man, I made so we're gonna make this a sale limit, right? And then we're gonna make this one a buy limit right here. So as you see, wait, hold on one second. Okay. Okay, I see what's going on. So we go right here, we go to settings, and you already know, guys, you can change your I'll go to this one. All this shit in the way. But anyways, you can go on here and you can change your, you know, you can go to save as and you can change all that. So I'm putting a buy limit here. So as you see, price at this area, guys, on this supported area, right? On the supported trend line, as you see, when price touched here, it bought up, right? Then when price touched this resistance zone, this resistance channel, it came down. When price touched the buy, bought up. When the price touched the resistance, came down. When price touched support, bought up, right? So as you see, we have a bullish channel, but this is considered a bearish flag, guys. So you already know, if you want to know shapes and things of that nature, then you have to go ahead and join the Discord, free Discord that I got on smsfxmentors.com, free Discord. And, you know, you can join that and then you can see all the shapes. I got, man, shapes, patterns, different trade ideas, everything on there, man, that you can think of for free, guys. So you can index, you know, these Discords and all my free mentorship and YouTube to actually learn, demo trade. And then when you're ready, when you actually have the funds and you're ready, then, you know, you seek out a mentor. You don't have to seek out me. You can seek out, you know, me or anyone else, right, that you want to learn how to trade from, right, or that can trade your trading style. But for beginners, guys, I have a whole YouTube So don't go to no course and pay for a beginner course when you can go for free and go look at what's going on. Then when you're ready for the big dogs, then I can show you all this and what all this mean and how all this mean and everything else, right? So like I said, so then the next thing I would do is, so I found me a pattern and everything in the day in the daily, right? So what I want to do is I want to find me a lower, like a smaller I mean, you know, like a smaller time frame low, right? So a smaller time frame low and a smaller time frame high. I don't need a midpoint at this point. I just need a low and a high. So me personally, I like to turn my my minor level purple. So I want my major level. My major level is yellow, and then my minor level is purple, right? You know, represent Kobe or the Lakers, or, you know. So settings, I want to go change that really, really fast, guys, before I just hop right into this. So I'll turn that to my minor level. And like I said, you can say these templates, guys, so it'll be quick and easy. You can just run through it. Boom. And so what I would do is the next thing I would do is, like I said, I will try to find me a support and resistance level. So at this 1.57,000 level, you know, since that's a bank level, I'm gonna go ahead and plot me a support right there. So now I plot me a support, and then I can put a for support, I can put a black line, right? And then I want to make sure it's flat, right? So 0, make sure it's flat and even. And then I will come up here and find me a high point, guys. So I will find me a high point. Uh-oh, man, 10 minutes go by so fast, but I'm still finish this out, guys. This is gonna be a little long video. Who cares though, man, when you learn it? Especially when you learning to earn too at the same time. You're gonna learn and earn. So can't beat that one. So we're gonna do that one 500 flat. So 59 500 flat, right? Boom. So now we got 59 500 flat and it's 57,000 flat area. So now we at least know, you know what I'm saying, where we at, where we ranging in between, or you know what I'm saying, is it finna trend, is it finna break any of these levels, so we can see what's next, what's finna go down next. So now after that, I will go plot me on a zone. So I know in and around that zone, even if it don't hit that 57,000 area, I know this zone level, this zone area, it might, you know what I'm saying? So around that area, around this 57,000, whether it's 57,000, 27, 50, whatever, when it hits that area, you know, I'm ready to take a good probability trade. So now, boom, we got that, guys. We got that. So now I want to turn this red. So I got my blue box is for support. So I got that blue. And then you can do whatever you want to do though, whatever is good for you. And then for my sell zone, I'm gonna make it red, guys. So this is all in the daily. So boom, now I know this. Okay, my highest of the day is 59 500. Keep failing to get to that 60,000 level. And then now I also got 57,000 as my lowest right now. And you know, price broke through here at one point, but then it rejected it and pushed all the way back up. So, you know, and closed above that 57,000. So I'm gonna respect that. I'm gonna respect that little area, not as a minor or major area, but just, you know, on the daily time frame, I'm respecting that level. So now we drop down to the 4 hour, and as you see, it's all lined up, right? It's all lined up, right? We got our resistance right here. We got our resistance from our shape or from our pattern, whatever you want to call it, guys. It's all up to you, right? So we got a resistance there. We see that we had a resistance level here, and we was at the resistance level at a 59 500. So now you see that we was here, and what did price do? As soon as price got here, we seen what the candles was making. Then we seen a gravestone, which is the ending of an uptrend, right? Not all the time, but at certain levels it is, right? At a resistance level, we know exactly what it means. Good probability thinking, good probability trading, more confluences on that, you know, great probability chance that, okay, price is going to go down, right? It's at a resistance level of my pattern. So of my bullish pattern, I'm at the resistance of the roof of it, right? So, and then I'm at, you know, my highest point of the day, which is 59 500, right? So now I know, okay, boom. Now whatever forms up around this level, I'm just waiting. I'm gonna be, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna be patient now at this point. At this point right now, I'm patient, guys. So at this point, I'm patient. So I'm gonna wait till I see what forms at this level. So boom, that's what formed up. Then okay, boom, mirror boson, then boom, price starting to shoot down, right? Now price is stuck at this level right here. So now So now I'm on my 4 hour where I'm about to be taking my trades and things of that nature. I need to be marking up these levels to understand what's going on. Now I see, okay, I got 1 hit here, 2 hit here, 3 hits here, right? And price, was acting crazy at this level. So now we seen price shooting down. Price is also acting crazy at this level. So me personally, I'm gonna draw, I'm just gonna draw a box through here. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna draw a box through here. Just a small box. Ain't gotta be nothing major, nothing big, but and since it's underpriced, I'm gonna make it blue, right? So now let's see my probability chances. Excuse me. Now let's see my probability chances. And also, I'm gonna mark where price is at. So at this 58,500 level, I'm gonna mark that up. Put a line here. All right. And then maybe I'll adjust my box now. I'll put my box down to there. Right. Boom. Lined up perfect. Lined up perfect. Now you see, okay, boom, price came here, came here, came here. Boom. That's 1 hit. Price came here. That's 2 hits. That's 3 hits. Boom. Once price came to here, it made 3 hits. It pushed all the way to the downside. Once price got back to the downside, it found support, shot back up, and it finally broke this 58,500 level. So it pushed us up to the upside. So, you know what I'm saying? This all boils down to, you know what I'm saying? Like I said, thought process, your psychology, your methodology, you know what I'm saying? You're getting all that from me. But at the same time, you still got to be patient to wait. You got to understand that Forex is a patient game, right? You can't just, even though it's high probability that price might bounce off this 58,500 level, price might bounce off this 58,500 level, even though it's high probability chances, we still want to wait because price could still come through here, you know what I'm saying? Break through, give a fake out, plus putting you into negatives, and then you thinking, oh no, oh my God, the trade is wrong, oh my God, my mentor don't know what they're talking about, or you know what I'm saying, or dang, I did the work and it didn't work, you know what I'm saying? So what you got to do is you have to wait, guys. You got to be patient. You have to see what's going on. So you know what I'm saying, a good probability chance that price might go up with confluences such as, you know what I'm saying, it's 58,500, it hit this 58,500 and now it's bouncing, it's going back up. Now it's at 58,593 and it went up 93 pipettes. You like, okay, what's the probability chance of price still going up? And then if price do go up, is it gonna go up and hit this 59,500 level? You got to be prepared for that. Or is it finna go to this 1.60 thousand level, right? If not, and price break through here and it just, break through, you're not going to rush and get in for the sale because, probability, the chances could be that price can come through here, retrace here and stay under this 58,500 level and use it as resistance. Then we turn this box red and then price can shoot down to the downside, guys. So, it's all about probability. It's all about putting in the work, doing what you got to do. Now, this is just one part of our pre-market analysis. Now we need to go check out fundamentals, sentiment, things of that nature, guys. So don't just take this and roll with it. You know what I'm saying? It might consolidate here for you know what I'm saying, for 20 hours, for 3 days and drop. You feel me? So you don't know. You might consolidate here 20 days and then shoot up. But you got to be patient. You have to see what the market is giving to you. You have to make good probability trades, guys. You have to be consistent. You can't just be in here, boom. I seen this pattern, boom. It has to be reason behind these patterns. It has to be reason, guys. So boom, man, that's a pre-market analysis, man, for the day, man. That's the pair that I'm giving away for free. You're all. So go ahead over there, get your demos out or get a small account, 5, 10, whatever. Mark up your charts. Remember these numbers off the side and then try to go and practice that, guys. Like I said, if you're looking for mentorship, man, you already know what it is. SMSFXmentors.com, man. And you can come run up a bag with me and we'll actually teach you how to fish, right? Teach you how to fish. But here go a fish right here. You can eat for a day. And then after that, you know what I'm saying, you can come back with your boy. If that worked out for you or if this works, you know what I'm saying, leave it down in the comments. Let me know, man. Don't be shy. Don't be scared. And if you are, just DM me. Let me know what's going on. And then we can go from there, guys. But you already know what it is. Freebie for the day, freebie for the week. I hope you guys are taking these analysis and using them and actually starting to try to actually use it, implement it into your your trading plan. You feel me? And things of that nature, man. So you already know what it is, right? And that's it, man, for right now, man. And then yeah, join the squad, man. Let's get it, gang.